Hello everyone and welcome to my class. Hope you all doing well. Today this class will be We Can Too. The book is what? We Can Too. So let's start. After singing the hello song, um, I want to ask you, what is the day today? It is, and then the day. What about the date? What's the date today? Date. It is, and then you will say the date. Good job, everyone. Good job for answering. Now we will have a little revision of the last lesson we took. So, are you ready? Now let's start. The girl. What is she? What's the meaning of this move? Is it big, short, or long? It is long. Yes, it is long. What about this? Look at the girl. She is saying big, small, or quiet. She is saying big. Bravo. What about her? What is she doing? Quiet, weak, or noisy? It is noisy. She is meaning what? Noisy. Now, what about her? Is she weak or quiet or strong? Strong. Bravo, everyone. Bravo. Okay, now today is unit number 1, Beautiful Nature, lesson number 4, phonics, page number 8 and 9. Our goals is 2. I can tell if the word starts with C or G. 2. Say 2 words that begin with C and 2 words that begin with G. And we will do it, inshallah. Advice time. Nature is your home. Look after it. Now, I need you to watch.
The hard k sound. C, cat, k. C sounds k as in cat. The cat is under the hat. C in car sounds k. A dog is in the car. Look at this word, cake. The letter C in cake makes the k sound. the hard G sound. G, gift, G. G sounds G as in gift. I am happy when I get a gift. G in goat sounds G. A goat is on a boat. Look at this word, girl. The letter G in girl makes the G sound.
See the videos? So we will now learn about the K sound and the G sound. So are you ready? The pages are 8 and 9. Listen, read, and say.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, read, and say. C and G jingles.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
Sounds and letters. Now, I will play an audio, and please, I want you to say after. But listen and then say after the audio. Then we will write at these three words. Does the first one sound with GR, or CR, or GL, or CL? You will hear, and then we will figure it out, okay? Now, please listen.
Sounds and letters. Exercise. G, G. Are you ready? Let's practice first.
Practice. Go, go, go.
C says coat. Coat. C
Crap, crap, crap.
GR says grass.
Crap, crap, grass.
GL says glass. CL says class. Club.
Now, after hearing the audio, did you got it? Did you find the missing letters? Where's where? Okay, we'll do it together. Now, first one is class. Class. We don't say slash now. Ka sound. Class. Okay, let's see number 2. What did you write? What did you hear? Ka ka crab. Ka crab. So this is called what? Crab. Now, third one is what? Ga ga glass. Ga ga glass. Bravo. Last one. Ga ga grass. Ga ga grass. Okay. Good job, everyone. Good job. Thank you for listening.
EL says glass. EL says glass. CR says crab. GR says grass. CL says class.
Now, after repeating and finishing the phonics, we will have what? Fun time. Word making game. Listen to the teacher and hold up the letters. Now, let's hear the audio. Let's see what the teacher
Fun
said.
time. Exercise 3. Word making game. Listen to the teacher and hold up the letters.
Are you ready? Let's start. Can you make this word? Bag.
B, a,
Ga.
bag.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Cat.
K, a,
T.
cat.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Bug.
B, a,
Ga.
bug. We got it.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
We will play the same game they did in the classroom. So please be ready. Now let's practice. LN. Look at this picture. This picture starts with what? CL, GL, or GR? What is this, everyone? It is called what? Class. Class. Bravo. So it starts with what? C-L. Class. Class. Repeat after me. Class. Bravo, everyone. Look at the picture here. Look here. So this word starts with what? C-R, G-L, or G-R. Do you remember what is it? It is grass. Grass. So grass starts with what? C-R, G-L, or it is G-R. Grass. Grass. Got sound and after it what? R. So grass. Bravo. What about this word? This word starts with C-R, G-L, or G-R. Can someone tell me what is this word? Crab. Okay, so it starts with what? With C-R. C-R is crab. Crab. Repeat after me. Crab. Bravo. What about the last one here? Does this This picture starts with what? This word. C-R, G-L, or G-R. Got, got, glass. Got, glass. Bravo, bravo, everyone. We're about to finish, so here is exit ticket. I want you to write 3 things I learned today and 2 things I like. I liked it. I liked it. And what 1 question I have. Every group please write it together and then we will answer everything together. Have homework pages 57 and 58. Your homework. Next time I will check it out if you did it or not. So please do it. Thank you so much for today, everyone. Today was fun. Hope you all enjoyed it and hope you all learned together with me. So, thank you so much again. Goodbye.